Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford F-350 in an XL trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. Or before I forget, it does have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And then first looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three, you do have a easy to clean vinyl interior all throughout, and these seats can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any of the cargo you might want to put back here. And you have vinyl flooring throughout the truck, which is also easier to keep clean, no stains. And then in the middle here, you have two cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. And now looking in the front, this being an XL, everything is manual. You've got manual locks, manual windows, and I believe also manual mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 91,859 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the left hand side you have your controls for your little center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with all of your mileage, fuel economy, time taken, distance to empty, your temperature and digital speedometer, I believe. And then you can look at your fuel economy separately, your driver assist settings, and settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, CD, and auxiliary, I believe. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, and your hazards. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller underneath them. And on the right, you have two 12-volt power outlets, as well as having another 12-volt down here with your auxiliary and a little shelf for your device while it's charging or something like that. Moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of that. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you actually have another compartment with some more cup holders that can be folded out like so for even more beverages, and plenty of room in there for storage. So you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up and occupied, or 4 in total if you're feeling wacky, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.